Welcome to Exam Sale, where we break down complex exam syllabi into manageable chunks. In this video, we'll be discussing the Certified Kubernetes Administrator Exam, or CKA for short. The exam is divided into 5 domains: troubleshooting, cluster architecture, installation and configuration, services and networking, storage, and workloads and scheduling. The weights for each domain are 30%, 25%, 20%, 15%, and 10% respectively. The troubleshooting domain is the largest, and it's where you will be tested on your ability to identify and resolve failures within cluster components, nodes, and deployed applications. This includes troubleshooting application deployment failures, analyzing container logs and events, and debugging application connectivity issues. Within troubleshooting, you'll need to understand application failures, including how to troubleshoot application deployment failures and how to analyze container logs and events. You'll also learn how to identify and fix cluster component failures, including how to identify failing control plane components and how to troubleshoot at health. Troubleshooting also covers node failure, including how to evaluate node status and conditions, how to troubleshoot kubelet service failures, and how to recover nodes from not ready states. You'll need to have a deep understanding of Kubernetes' ephemeral nature and the necessary tools for identifying and resolving node and pod issues. The cluster architecture, installation and configuration domain focuses on infrastructure management, role-based access control, and cluster lifecycle operations. This includes installing and configuring Kubernetes control plane, managing highly available control plane components, and implementing role-based access control permissions. Within cluster architecture, installation and configuration, you'll need to understand how to install and configure Kubernetes control plane, including how to join worker nodes to an existing cluster and how to manage system service units for Kubernetes. You'll also learn how to implement highly available control plane components, including how to configure external load balancers for API server and how to handle multi-master cluster orchestration. Services and networking covers internal and external cluster communication, load balancing, and network security policies. This includes configuring ClusterIP and NodePort services, implementing load balancer service types, and managing headless services for stateful apps.